If you watched the last video the whole way through, you already heard this. So, our cat Velcro was pregnant. As you can see, she got really, really wide. And then she finally started to have kittens. I think that's number 2 coming. Okay, we've got 2 kittens born, and Burley can hear them. He really, really wants to check on her. She and Burley are very, very good friends. If they could have made babies together, they would have. So surprisingly, she seems okay with this. He's always been very, very gentle with baby things. And these two have loved each other since she was tiny. And he can smell and hear the babies, and he just wants to help. I am going to make him move in a minute, but he really wanted to check on her when he heard the little squeaks. You're a good mama. So right now we got a black one, it looks like, and a dark striped one. And she seems to be taking a little bit of a break, but I don't think she's done. Are you such an awesome mama? Yeah. Now there's 4. Not that you can see them, but it looks like maybe they're still so wet it's hard to tell. There's a light one, maybe 2 black ones and a gray stripe. Right now there's 4 little ones. Velcro's looking pretty exhausted. Those 4 showed up pretty quick. And I believe, it's a little hard to tell how long fur, I believe they're all nursing. Yeah, you're a good mama, you are. That was a lot of work. I don't know if she's done or not, but there's 4 little ones right now. So, 4 it is. She had these guys pretty quick. In about 40 minutes from the first to the last, they were all born. And then she seemed pretty exhausted and just passed out and napped while they all nursed. What do you think of those little ones? Would you think it's more fun to share the fish? If you're wondering who the father of these is, I don't know. Or they may have multiple fathers. Cats, each kitten can only have one father, but there could be up to 4 different fathers of this litter. Zipper is our tomcat, and he and Velcro do spend a ton of time together. He certainly could be the father. He came from a litter of kittens that had many different colors, including several that looked like purebred Siamese, who may have had a different father than him, who knows. And Velcro herself came from a litter of multiple colors, so who knows? There is also multiple other intact tomcats in the area. So 1 or more of them could be the father of 1 or more of these kittens. We don't know. But either way, Zipper seemed pretty indifferent. He gave them a sniff and then was much more interested in food than anything to do with kittens. He didn't seem to care about them at all, one way or the other. Velcro seems to be doing well, as are all 4 of the little ones. I was a little bit concerned about her ability to nurse them all since she is a very, very tiny cat. She always has been. But they seem to always have round little bellies that are full and to sleep very peacefully when they're not nursing. So she seems to be making plenty of milk for them. And we are keeping her well fed. You'll see in various of these clips she's getting. Our cats normally eat a mostly raw diet, but she has some very high quality dry kibble there if she wants it, as well as a rotating diet of various kinds of fish, some chicken, some organ meats, some raw milk from a local farmer, etc. So we're just trying to be sure she's really well nourished so her body can produce a good diet for the kittens. Really wants to check on them every few minutes and make sure that Velcro doesn't need any assistance. I'm such a good big brother dog to the new little babies. As you can see, at this age, they pretty much eat and sleep. These little guys are 1.5 old now. And Velcro seems to be giving them plenty of milk because they all drink and then they snuggle up and sleep peacefully. And pet her.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. See? They're thinking you're making them too high. Can't get them.
He's like, oh, but that feels nice.
Mm-hmm.
I like when you rub my belly.
Got these creatures trying to draw my life force out of me. Yeah.
So for colors, we've got the one little orange one. We've got the stripy one who looks a bit like Zipper, but he's also got some brown in his stripes, it looks like, instead of just the gray. And then the two dark ones look almost identical. They, at first glance, look like they're almost a solid black, but they have striping on their bellies, their all four legs, and some interesting later markings right on their faces. So it's going to be really fun to see what they look like as they grow up a little bit. Usually both our cats are outside during the day and they love to roam. Then they sleep in either the feed room or inside the shop, which is where Velcro is here at night. But Zipper she's been staying inside, of course, with her kittens. He was very indignant about being inside and wanted out. As you can hear, so he went back outside, left Mama and the little ones in peace through the day. They are continuing to grow. They're 5 days old now as I record this, and they already seem to be about twice the size they were when they were born. They are still all doing well, and it's pretty hard to get anything else I need to do done because I could just sit there all day and watch them. including just when they're sleeping. We don't seem to have a runt for this litter. 3 seem to be the same size, and little Mr. Stripey, who was the first one out, seems to be just a little bit bigger than everybody else. I would guess that these kittens are all going to outgrow their mother pretty rapidly. I do not know if they're males or females. I thought I recalled that being relatively easy to tell, but as I look at them, they all look the same. And as I look up guides for how you're supposed to tell, they all look the same. And anyway, so possibly we have 4 males or 4 females. I do know that often orange colored cats are toms. The majority of them are, though I've certainly seen females that are orange. So I am assuming at least that little one is probably a boy, but we don't really know what we've got, so we'll find out as they grow. So here's a little bit of a look at our baby's first few days of life here. They are very, very cute. We're very excited that they are all doing well. Like I said, they are a lot of fun to watch. Velcro has been an excellent mother, very attentive to them, and she is still her normal friendly self, and she likes all the attention she can get from people and Burley.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Come back next time for more adventures.
Thanks for watching.